how to replace wiper blades on BMW F10 and F11, I show you in this quick video. Back in the day when you was replacing wiper blades, you just pull the arm up and replace the wiper blades. But this is not in our case, because as you can see, we have got bonnet in the way. In our case, we have to turn on the service mode for the wiper blades. Let's get into the car. To activate the service mode, follow the sequence. First, turn the ignition on to activate the electric system. Then, turn the ignition off to turn off the car. Next step is to lift this wiper blade torque for about 5 seconds. Link for new wiper blades in the description box down below. Next, pull that arm away, twist the wiper blade and pull it out. New wiper blade, put that wiper blade in, twist it back in, and voila. Next, the small one. As well, remember there is 2 sizes. One is bigger one than the other one, as you can see here. So I grab this one, twist that one, and replace that one for a new one. Then when you have replaced the wiper blades, turn the ignition on and pull the torque or thingy down, and the wiper blades go down. If you have a BMW F11 like I have, to replace the rear wiper blades, you need to lift the arm up and just pull that wiper blade out like that. Just pull that out. Don't be scared. You shouldn't break it. Then just replace that one for a new one. So just, I don't have a new one, so just push this one in like that and click this one in, and that's it. Done. If you like this type of content and you would love to support me, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Before you leave, one of those videos could be handy to you. So I see you there.